All right, so now I'm going to show you the apps that I think are super important for my business. If you run your own boutique, I'm not telling you to use the same exact apps that I have. These are just the apps that I use on a regular basis that help me. So keep in mind as well that I have a Samsung Note 10. So some of these apps may have a different name if you have an iPhone or another type of phone. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I have a Samsung Galaxy, not Galaxy, I'm sorry, I don't have Galaxy anymore. Samsung Note 10. Okay, so the first app we're going to talk about is right here on my phone screen. Obviously, you are looking at my phone. The top one, it says Jinx Fashion Week, and you can see the little S in the right-hand corner up here on my little widget. That is my Shopify app. I have the widget on my phone, so that way I can see how many sales I've had. As you can see my sales today. You can see how many orders it was, which is up under it. So I've had 4 orders, and you can see how many visits I've had. Very, very small visit day, but hey, still got 4 orders. Okay, so the actual app, you just can click on it, and it tells you everything is just like a regular, what you would see on your admin page if you were on your laptop. It looks very similar. So it has all of that. I don't want to show you all much of that because it has customer information on it. So, and it will also show you literally everything that you normally see on your admin page on your laptop. Next, I do have 2 folders. I have 2 folders. One is for business, as you can see at the bottom here. And then I have another one for social media. So I'm going to show you a few of the ones I have in the business folder. I use MailChimp. I have that, of course, for my email. I can use it on the go. So whatever I am doing on my MailChimp app, I can also do it on my laptop, and I can see what I have done or started on my laptop, on my app, and vice versa. Next, I have Square. As you all know, I do not use Square regularly. I use Square as a backup to the app that is beside it, which is the Shopify POS. I use that at events, or like today, well, not today, yeah, or times when I may have a sale, whatever. If I'm selling something in person, I use the Shopify POS because it also takes away that inventory from my website, so I don't manually have to go in and do it. I also have Chrome in here. You know, that's not an app, that's just my browser. Cash App, which I rarely use for business. I don't know why I have it in business. And then, of course, Zoom when I'm doing meetings. And then I have Google Sheets, which is how I keep up with certain things instead of using Excel. What is this that popped up? Okay. Had a payment come through. Okay, so, social media. These are the things that I use on a regular basis for my social media posts. Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, of course. Instamirror, I use this for obvious reasons when I want to mirror a picture, self-explanatory. Canva, you all know I live and die by Canva. Canva, of course, is how I make all of my graphics, how I make my YouTube thumbnails. You can make anything in Canva. If you are not hip to Canva, I don't know what's been going on in your life for business, but you need to get up on Canva. Whatever I do in my Canva app, it literally will translate onto the website, and I can pick up where I left off on the laptop, or I can pick up where I left off from my laptop to the app. It literally corresponds like live seconds, like right then. So as you all can see, here's a bunch of different templates you can do. Instagram posts, stories, Facebook, social media, posters, flyers, invitations, cards, Twitter. I mean, it goes on and on and on. You literally can use this for any type of graphic that you may need, or even a resume right here. Business cards, phone wallpaper. I did not know they had phone wallpaper up here. Postcard, everything. This is also how I write my ebooks. If you all have purchased any of my ebooks or my guides, free guides that I have, I use Canva for that as well. And you have your designs here. And this is how you can see all of my designs. 9square, I use 9square if I want to separate a picture. I'm sure you all have seen those on Instagram where it's one picture that is broken up into 9 or several different squares. It takes up a whole space. I don't know if I can. Let's just try one real quick. Hopefully you all can see. Let's just do one, whatever. Okay, so we can do it like that if you want to put it on Instagram that way. Or if I want to put it on Instagram like this. or if I want to do this whole, like it'll be a whole part of my timeline or profile. There we go. So I'm sure you all have seen this, and this is actually a setup that I did in my house when I had a sample sale in my dining room. If you all want to see the video for that and how I did that and how much I made, all that stuff, be sure to click the link in the description box, and also a link may pop up on your screen. Pages Manager, that is how I manage my page on Facebook, which I rarely use. AppI, I have a video separately just for that. That is how I schedule my posts. Hype Text is super amazing. That is how I am able to get text on my pictures. Let's just try one real quick. Okay, so that will be on the story. Hold on, let me move this out of the way. You can type the text, and that is what it would do. It would come in like that. So that is what I use that for. I can also put music on it as well. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all know I have bad sinuses. How do I get out of here? Okay. Yes. There we go. So that's what that is. Story Art and Mo Story. As you can see, they're both close by each other. This app right here, and then the Story Art, they both are also connected to my Canva. I did not know that, but whatever I do in here, it will also pop up in my Canva. So this is how I make my movable art, and you can see Mo Story is right here. It's also connected. So let's say I want to make, let's just choose one real fast. I don't want to do that because it's going to take too long. So it's going to download. It's going to let you see the animation. So that is what it would do. And then you just fill in how you want. Let's just take that off. Next, I have Wonder Video. That is how I make and edit some of my videos. Not make, but that's how I edit some of my videos. Spark Post is close to Hype Text. It is made by Adobe. I use it every once in a while. PixArt, that's how I edit pictures, but the editor on my Samsung phones, every phone I've ever had, is way better, so I use that majority of the time. Video and GIF memes, that is how I make certain GIFs out of my videos. So those are the main apps, and of course, PayPal, which you all saw up here. That is another app that I use, but those are the main apps that I use on my phone for my business. Oops, sorry. So if you all have any questions or you cannot find some of these apps on an iPhone, please let me know and I will help you find them. And then also there's one other one right here called Tap Bio. This is good if you want to, if you have a different business, kind of like with me with this, with the service part, where you can have this link in your bio and it will have several different things in it, or different pages. It's kind of like a mini website. If you all have seen my Instagram page with this bio in it. So that is what that is. But yeah, that is everything that I use on the regular basis. If anyone has any questions, like I said, please let me know, and be sure to click the link in the description box to see the video about me and my sample sale. All right, you guys, have a good day. Bye.